Now, it is also one of the part of economics in that invest in stocks. Investment in stocks is always good, but in that also, so many loopholes are there. You can also make money fast by investing in stocks. If you are not expert in picking a stock, you might want to skip this money making idea. You have to skip out this money making idea because the stock purchasing is not a joke, because purchasing easy, but always fluctuations will be there in stocks. While it can have one of the highest rewards, it can also result in money loss also if you are inexperienced. So experience also should be there. Always you should read. Investing in stocks means you should read papers and what are going growing on, what needs are there in the present market. All these things they have to think over. So multiple thinking should be there in purchasing stocks. If you currently hold 9 to 5 job, look into your company's financial programs. Do they allow you to invest in company stocks? If so, sign up for it. At least with a company stock program, you have some influence on the organization's success as an employee. If your company has an RRSP matching program, you can also sign up for that. If your goal is to save up for retirement or a down payment on your first home. So investing in stocks is good, but we should have in multiple way for purchasing a stock. Means what is the stock rate at present, in future how much it will be in the future. So is there any decreasing will be there, what is the demand of that after 4 years. All these things you should think over. Then only you can invest on. But only one thing I am saying, that don't expect income on dividends. Only if you purchase stocks means it is good. Only you want to depend on dividends means it may come more or not. Certain times what will happen is, certain companies, suppose you are getting 10% of dividend, means that dividend will be compulsorily, it should be converted into additional shares. That time you have to sell out. For 10 shares, and suppose if you are having 100 shares, means 10 shares you cannot separately sell out. So all these things you should think over. Generally, instead of giving dividend, almost all companies are giving more stock to the consumers. That time it will become a problem, and as well as profit also if you want to sell out. So all these things you should think over. But don't depend only on dividends. Only dividends will never keep you in hikes and heights. That is, you should remember. Look into your company's financial problems. All these things if you think over, then you can get very good stocks. Investment in stocks is always good, but actual regular study will be there. Then only you will be successful in this business. Wishing you all the best.